One morning, I woke up consumed by an idea. Why can't I put metal in the microwave? It seems simple enough. Open it up, put the bowl in, turn the microwave on. And yet no one seems willing to break that rule. Why? What are they keeping from us? What makes this little bowl so dangerous? What happens when you put a metal object in the microwave? Well, I guess I'm gonna find out. Oh God. Oh God, what did I do? Oh my God, what just happened? Why did I just do that? I should never be allowed to touch anything, talk to anyone, or do anything ever again. What the is wrong with me? Why did I think that would be okay?